When we started this channel, I don't think we realized how much camera equipment we have or how much we were going to have, from GoPros, normal cameras, drones, and everything else. And we're not the best at being organized, but that's gonna change today. We're gonna try to become a little bit more organized. So we normally keep like all of our camera equipment just in this drawer. So like everything you're seeing up here, even Liv's camera, like we try to fit it all in this drawer, but that's gonna change today because we are gonna actually take all of this and turn it into this.
We're on our way to head to Lowe's. We have an idea of what we want it to look like, but we're also just going in to see what they have. So leave a comment below and try to guess how much we're gonna spend.
What do you think?
We'll take it.
All right, so we found the pegboard. We found a couple little baskets we're gonna use for just different handles, different accessories, a lot of the cords. There's a phone call that someone needs to pick up. So we're really just looking for a shelf next. So we have these two little pieces right here. You can kind of see, plug into here. So we're just looking for something to go across. Wow. Got everything we need. Walking in the middle of traffic. Super stoked to put this together.
Part 1 of the mission complete.
Okay, we just finished the charging wall. We're super excited about it. We've wanted a place where we could kind of have everything charged at the same time. So if you look back, you'll notice our drone's on there, all of our GoPro stuff is on there as well. We have a separate space where all of our earbuds, all of our headphones are gonna be at. We also have another basket where all of our GoPro accessories are gonna be. We've got our Wicked Audio headphones right there in the middle, and then we have a couple of different of the main handles we use for the GoPro there. Obviously, with having all of the camera stuff, we have a lot of chargers, a lot of wires, and a lot of extra accessories too. So we keep all of that inside my Yeti Go box. We put pretty much everything else in there that we're not using on the daily, but all the stuff that we are using at least daily or every other week, every week, it's gonna be right there on the charging station. That way it's easy for us to have access to it, and just a good reminder to make sure that everything is charged, plugged in, and ready to go. And then I'm gonna put a link in the description down below. You'll be able to check out every single thing that we bought and know how much it was. I think we spent like $70 on everything.
Or right under.
And so the only thing that we're waiting on is we ordered a multi-port USB charger to put on the back so that everything will be right there and ready to go. From the design aspect, what's your favorite part about it?
I think I just love that it's a sleek, clean look. We've actually been planning for one of these since the time that we were house hunting. So it's been a long time coming, so it's really exciting to have it up and running.
Sure. So since we don't actually do YouTube full time, if we can be more organized, I think we'll be a lot more successful. So this is just an easy way for us. And you can do it as well. It's under $100. Like I said, link in the description below of everything that you need. If you want to see us do more camera reviews or anything videography, photography related, leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content just like this. And as always, thanks for hanging. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel for all things faith, family, and skateboarding. We will see you guys in the next video, and as always,
Thanks for hanging.